Presido Buhari don't go South Africa for the second Intra-African trade fair. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa don't invite Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari to join other ogbonge African leaders for the opening ceremony of the second Intra-African trade fair, wey dem title Building Bridges for a Successful African Continental Free Trade Area for Durban. The trade fair wey go start on Monday suppose attract for the African continent trade and investment deals wey value $40 billion. Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment, Niyi Adebayo, yarn tori pipo say as Nigeria be the largest economy for Africa, e suppose make Nigeria head of state dey there. Plus say we get over 100 people wey go participate, showcase art and culture and advertise Nigeria.
Well, it's very important for him to be here because, as you all know, Nigeria is the largest economy in the whole of Africa, and this is an intra-Africa thing. And without the presence of Nigeria's head of state, it would not be complete. And it is on that basis that the president of South Africa invited our president and asked specifically that he would like him to be present at the opening ceremony of the trade fair. We have, I believe, over 100 participants from Nigeria who will be participating in the fair of various goods, even including our arts and culture, including our creative arts. We have musicians who will perform. There will be fashion parades and manufactured goods and all sorts of things like that. It is for us to advertise Nigeria to the rest of Africa, show Africa what we possess, show Africa what we can do, and show Africa why we are the leading economy in Africa.
From Benin, Osarugwe, Monday, TMC News.